Welcome back guys, here I am with lesson number 2, and in this video I'll share this pair which I made in the last video. So let's do it. So at first I'll start with the HP pencil. In the reference we have the light is coming from this angle and the shadow will cast in the opposite direction here. So first of all I'll mark out the highlighted part so I don't fill that in by mistake, and then I fill this up. These white spots too. Don't shade it dark too early. Do it layer by layer, making the cast shadow here. Fill it as well. This part where the object is touching the floor is called occlusion shadow. It will be the darkest value and I'll use 4B or 8B here. Let's shade it further. I'm working gradually from light shades to the dark shades. No hurry. Now I want the second round and creating the core shadow. This is the part where there's no reflected light, so it has to be very dark like the occlusion. There's some shade over here and this, the part between core shadow and the highlights is the actual color of this pair. We can call it half tones or mid tones. I'm making it smoother and shading it with less pressure. Okay, back to the core shadow. You see right here in the reference picture, it's the reflection of the light bouncing back from the surface and the surroundings. This is important also. This helps to make it more realistic. Always pay close attention to the reflected light. The core shadow will get more dark as I work along. Now I will pay attention to the textures. This needs some soft shade, so I'll take 2B. And there's a dot over here. Some softness over here. And here. And it's getting a round shape now, form actually. I will add more contrast with this 8B. Core shadow can be easily pointed out now. Let's move on to the cast shadow now. I'm gonna make it gradually from HB to 8B. I'll erase a little bit from here. Better. Alright guys, it's done. I hope this was helpful. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any coming videos. And if you have any questions, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time.